ਪਿਛਲੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਸਾਈਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਭਾਗਵਤ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਜਾਣਿਆ। ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਮਹਾਨ ਰਚਨਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਬੁੱਕ ਜੋ ਕਿ 2019 ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ਿਤ ਹੋਈ, ਨਿਊ ਫਾਈਂਡਿੰਗਸ ਔਨ ਸ਼ਿਰਡੀ ਸਾਈਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਸ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ। ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦੀ ਅਮੁੱਲਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਗਹਿਨਤਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿਖਿਆਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਨ। This book is beyond the myths and beliefs. It is written after in-depth and thorough research work of decades, based on real facts collected from primary sources in the form of reports, photographs, letters, maps, annexures, etc. Let us hear what Guru Sahib describes about this research book. Since long, numerous postulates and hypotheses on aspects of Sri Sai Baba that are shrouded in mystery are afloat. There is inadequate, verifiable information regarding his parentage, place of birth, caste, religion, and early childhood. Similarly, divergent views exist about the date on which he first arrived at Shirdi and his age at that time. A number of such unanswered questions propelled me to undertake an in-depth research to try and seek evidence-based answers. The search for records and documents took my research team and me to the National Archives at Delhi and Kolkata, the Indian Museum, Kolkata, a number of libraries in Maharashtra and many other places. Some references were found even from the British Library, London. I had personal interactions with the descendants of devotees who had a direct link with Sri Sai Baba. In order to learn about the view of the Imperial British Government of India about Sri Sai Baba, the relevant official documents, particularly of the police, revenue, and criminal intelligence departments of that time, were extensively reviewed. Primary sources of evidence and data from hitherto unexplored sources were very useful. As a step forward, this book ventures to further explore some important aspects relating to Sri Sai Baba, which were either hitherto unknown or not explained fully. One of the main objectives of this book is to generate among the readers, writers, and researchers a spirit of research and to motivate them to undertake intensive research on the life, deeds, and philosophy of Sri Sai Baba. Let us look at the 9 chapters present in this book. Sri Sai Baba's Mahasamadhi. Sri Sai Baba comes to Shirdi. The governor's lands. The Govindas at Dwarkamai, Sathewada, Dikshitwada, and Navalgarwada. Bootiwada, now the Samadhi Mandir of Sri Sai Baba. Dakshina Bhiksha Sanstha, Sainath Prabha, Sri Sai Leela Masik Pustak. ਅਸੀਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਣਾ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪੁਸਤਕ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ।
स्नान तौर तरीके नल कर दे जा। श्री गुरुदेव, श्री गुरुदेव। सारा जीवन दर दर पटक के फिर भी दुख पोगी जा। श्री गुरुदेव, श्री गुरुदेव, श्री गुरुदेव, श्री गुरुदेव।
वे गंगा में स्नान, वार व्रत, पूजा, उपवास विधिवत करते हैं, फिर भी दुख भोगते रहते हैं। They perform religious rites like taking bath in river Ganges, undertake 12 vratas, worship of the deities, and fasting as per prescribed rules and procedures of their religion, yet they continue to suffer. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਲੇ ਗੁਰੂਵਾਰ ਅਗਲੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ।